This machine is the Upcut Saw. The Upcut Saw is used for rough cutting lumber from a longer board down to a shorter board that you'll be using for your project. Usually you will rough cut lumber 1 to 2 inches longer than your final size that you need for your project. To use this machine, you first need to know how to turn it on. On the right hand side, towards the back of the machine, there's a green and red button. Those are your controls to turn the motor on. The red button rotates to the right and will pop out, disengaging the stop, and then the green button will turn the machine on. Once the motor is turned on, there's about 10 seconds of time that needs to be waited until the motor has reached full capacity before cutting. The silver switch on the right, that turns on the airflow to the machine, and the red knob mounted to the front of the machine right here controls the airflow going to the foot actuator pedal down below. On the left-hand side of the machine, mounted along the fence, there is a stop block. This can be set to set your measurements for a specific size of board that you're cutting, and allows you to make repeated cuts at that size. The red guard is the area that blocks the blade and keeps your hands from being in the way of the cuts. To use this machine, you'll take your lumber and set it on the fence on the right-hand side and slide the lumber into the machine from right to left. Once your lumber is in place, resting on the table and pressed firmly against the fence, you will use the foot pedal at the bottom of the machine, and you'll just tap the foot pedal. That will lock the clamping mechanism down into place, and the blade comes up from the bottom of the machine, cutting your material. Once the blade has cycled through, you'll remove your cut piece, and you can repeat as necessary. I will now demonstrate this action. Wait for about 10 seconds for the blade to reach full speed. The board slides in, tight against the fence. Put it into your cut. Then turn up